Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about the government job exams. In this video, we are going to talk about the JIIB exam, the next exam that is going to be held in 2022. This exam is conducted by the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, and clearing this exam gives you a salary increment in your banking job. So how that is possible and how to clear this exam to ensure that salary increment this year, we will talk about in detail in this video. So to start with, what is JIIB? JIIB stands for the Junior Associate of Indian Associate of Banker. It is actually a certificate exam which consists of 3 papers. We'll talk about ahead in the video what these 3 papers are. And these 3 papers actually are aiming to enhance your knowledge about the banking and financial services. Why? Because they help you to carry out your day-to-day banking operations. So if you're in a bank, you can enhance your knowledge, which will help you better carry out your operations, and therefore you also get certain monetary benefits if you clear this exam. So what exactly are the monetary benefits? You get actually 1 salary increment if you clear, irrespective of when you have joined and irrespective of your level in the bank. Okay, so for example, let's understand this. This is the basic emoluments or the basic pay structure for an SBI PO. Okay, this has been what has been revealed in the latest SBI PO 2021 notification. So the basic salary, if you notice, is 36,000 with 1490 monthly increment that you will be eligible for the next 7 years. So if you are non-JIB certified, this is what your salary remains. It's a good salary. Okay, not that I'm saying it's not a good salary, it's a good salary, but this is what will be your salary. The basic pay will be 36,000. However, if you are JIB certified, if you can clear this exam, you become eligible instantly to get 1 increment over and above any other increments that you are eligible. So this is additional, right? So your basic pay instead of 36,000 becomes 37,490. And imagine, the earlier you start, if you know compounding, based on that, the earlier you start and the earlier you clear this paper in your career, the cumulative amount keeps increasing and goes into lakhs. So this benefit can be into lakhs the sooner you start and the sooner you clear this exam. What other benefits? Apart from the monetary benefits, of course, there is a reputation and a higher status associated. अगर आपके पास कोई additional degree है, कोई additional certificate है, तो आपके प्रति लोगों का देखने का नजरिया चेंज हो जाता है, बढ़ जाता है, एंड आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ती है. क्यों? उसके रीजंस क्या है? क्योंकि आप नॉलेजेबल हैं, आपकी सैलरी बढ़ रही है. सो ऑल दैट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द नॉलेज एनहांसमेंट गिव्स यू एन एज ओवर अदर एम्प्लॉयज इन योर प्रमोशंस, राइट? सो आपको प्रमोशंस में भी प्रेफरेंस दी जा सकती है, आपको एक एज मिलता है non-JIB certified employees के ऊपर. So these are some additional benefits that you get in addition to the monetary benefits. What is the eligibility for giving this exam? The eligibility is very simple. You have to be an employee already in the banking or the finance industry. Even if you are not and planning to be one, there's similar exam that you can give, and it will be converted into JIB the moment you become an employee in the banking industry. You have to be a member of IIBF, which is again just registering on IIBF, and you have to be 12 pass in any discipline or equivalent to be eligible to give this exam. So not a difficult eligibility. Here are the 3 subjects or the 3 papers that you have to give to become JIB certified. First is related to the principles and practices of banking. What are the rules, the regulations in the banking industry that you have to follow. Then accounting and finance, some basic rules related to accounting, basic financial understanding about interests, about compounding, about forex transactions. These are certain things that you need to know for bankers being in the banking industry. So that's the second paper, and the third paper is about the legal and regulatory aspects. So say negotiable instruments, FACI Act, having knowledge about these which will be helpful in carrying out your banking operations is what is covered in the third paper. So very simple papers that are actually helpful in your day-to-day banking career. So when is the next exam? So JIB exam actually held twice a year. This year it is going to be held in January 2022. The exam dates have been announced by IIBF. For paper 1 it will be on 8th of January. For accounting and finance second paper it will be 9th of January, the very second next day. And for legal and regulatory aspect, the third paper, there is a time gap given and it will be held on the 22nd of January. The registration for giving this paper is opening from the 9th of November. So the Monday after Diwali is when the registrations are opening. You can register up to 29th November per se, but then you'll have to give additional fee in addition to the normal fee. So the sooner the better you register to not waste. Now when this exam is being held, we know that regulations keep updating. RBI may come out with some new guidelines, some new regulation. So till when should a student be updating himself? The answer to this is also given by IIBF, that they will consider the cutoff date for any guidelines or regulations as the 30th of June 2021. So it is a very easy paper. You know the exact syllabus. You know that till when you have to be updated. You know the timelines of the exam that are going to be happen, and this and it is a lot about things that you would already be aware of or practicing in your banking career. So exam per se easy है क्लियर करना, एंड आपको पास होने के लिए भी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत हाई मार्क्स चाहिए, बहुत हाई 100% चाहिए. आपको 50% इन एग्रीगेट चाहिए इन ऑल दीज पेपर्स. Okay, individually if you get 45% sorry in any paper, but aggregate in all the three papers if you get 50%, you have cleared JIIB. So सिलेबस हमें पता है, कट ऑफ डेट हमें पता है, हमें क्वेश्चंस का पैटर्न पता है कैसे आता है, एंड आपको क्लियर करने के लिए एग्रीगेट मार्क्स भी बहुत हाई नहीं है. Then what is stopping you from giving this paper to get that additional increment in your salary? है ना? ओनली थिंग स्टॉपिंग यू इज द फियर कि हम ये पढ़ेंगे कैसे, हम ये सब कवर कैसे करेंगे, इफ आई हैव डाउट्स हु विल हेल्प मी. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट iExamB has come out with. We have a JIIB course. The course was there. The additional thing is we've got an expert faculty, 2 experts faculty for that matter. Actually, Mr. Shankar Nagarajan, who has very successfully last month conducted the UBI Forex course at iExamB. If you will go on our YouTube channel and look at the analysis of the Forex exam, 90% coverage was from our course, and there were approximately 8 to 9 questions that were directly exact question, exact options that were there, that were discussed by Shankar sir in the classes. Okay, and Shankar sir is an ex-manager RBI with 30 years in RBI, and after that 10 years of experience in teaching and mentoring in the banking industry. So a lot of experience he has, both practical and teaching experience. In addition to sir, the accounts paper, we have accounts faculty Neha Arora man, who is an MBA in finance, and she has been successfully running courses at iExamB for SEBI grade A, PFRDA grade A, NPS, and as of now going on NABARD finance. So a lot of courses, experience in teaching for particular exams. These 2 faculty are going to help you clear this exam in the first attempt, and we are starting our new batches for JIIB on 9th of November, the same date the registrations for the JIIB Jan 2022 exams are starting. Same day we are starting our batch, new batch. There are limited seats, so if you want to be a part of it, please do enroll quickly. When we say we are starting the new batch, basically the course consists of PDF notes, study notes, recorded videos related to the subject, to the syllabus, and mock tests and various tests. Plus, in addition, in 65 hours, we have an entire 65 hours spread over 2 months class plan that will be conducted by Shankar sir and Neha Arora ma'am to cover your entire syllabus for all the three subjects. Weekdays the classes will be held in the morning from 7 to 8 for an hour, and on the weekends they will be held for 2 hours from 10 to 12. So 65 hours is all that will be needed, and of course a dedication from your end to complete and consistently do this class session 65 hours with us to clear this exam. To add more to this, in addition to the 65 hours plan to clear your exam, as of now iExamB is running the Diwali offer where you have a chance to get discounts for up to 38%. So come on the iExamB website, burst a cracker, and win a chance to get discounts up to 38% on your JIRB course. So wishing you here a happy Diwali in the iExamB style. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icons to get the latest updates about the government job exams. Thank you everyone.